Hello everyone, I'm Chris from Hideaway Doors. I'm here with Junior. Junior's our inspector at the company, and could you tell us a little bit about yourself and what you do here for the company?
Well, what I do is I'm the last line of defense before our product goes out the door and to our customers. So what I like to start with is when we get a finished door like this on our table, I will go over any kind of blemishes, any kind of runs, any kind of something that would stick out to the customer right away. So I make sure none of that makes it out the door. We also assemble the whole entire unit, and when we do that, we check the opening and the measurements of the rough opening. We make sure everything moves accordingly, and when it has cabinet doors, we also check our swing on that as well to make sure that the cabinet doors miss the frame altogether. So our unit works and looks beautiful for our customers.
Not only quality control, you're also checking, like you said, the rough openings to make sure the door was built properly for the opening, and blemishes on if the unit gets stained or paint, you want to check for blemishes and stuff like that. So how long have you been doing this?
I'm going on, well, if we count back in the garage days, it'd be 7 years now.
7 years.
I've been full-time for about 5 years now. I was working for the other company we had, and I'll come into the garage on the weekends and put units together.
Yeah, those were the days, weren't they? Yeah. So outside of Hideaway Doors, you want to tell everybody what you like to do for fun?
Well, I like to skate and hang out with my kids, ride our dirt bike around, and recently I like fishing a lot.
Yeah, fishing's cool, right? Yeah, so, I guess that's about it. I don't have anything else to add unless you do. So.
Nope, we're good to go.
Okay, excellent. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to like and share, and if you're on YouTube, make sure you subscribe. Thank you.